Hey guys, in this video I want to do a little review of the new AK2000 Gimbal from FeiyuTech. In the first part I want to do an unboxing, and in the second part a quick start guide. But first things first, why did I buy this gimbal? To be completely honest with you guys, it's my first gimbal and I didn't want to spend too much money on it. Compared to the main competitors like the DJI Ronin S for $850 or the Xeon Crane 2 for $650, this was the most affordable one for me. I paid 400 Swiss francs, which is about the same in US dollars. They had some issues with the previous model. There was a vibration issue which will disrupt the picture, and I hope they got rid of it. But the most and biggest improvement is the LCD panel. I hope it's very handy and it will make the configuration easier. A thing which I forgot to mention before is the weight of the gimbal. It's 1.3 kilograms without the battery and camera, and can handle a payload till 2.8 kilograms. Alright, let's start. Comes in a nice styrofoam suitcase, which is very handy for traveling, I guess. Let's see. It comes with a battery charger, 2 battery packs, so totally 4. This must be the cable for the charger. Yes, some screws. And this is a lens holder. Nice, a tripod is included. This must be the camera and lens holder, I guess. I'm not sure. Two of the same cables. I'm not sure, but I think it's for connecting the camera with the gimbal. Here is nothing. Probably a place for some accessories. And the main piece of the gimbal. You can see the new LCD screen and the wheel here. It's very easy to use with one hand. There's a joystick, the wheel, and it's not too heavy at all. It's very handy to use. But let's see how handy it is to quick start this. Now I try to explain to you how to quick start this gimbal. It comes with a quick start guide, but it's not very detailed, and for further instructions you need to visit the website, and I hope you don't need to with this video. First thing is, I already did that in advance. I charged the batteries, and the thing to know is it doesn't come with a power adapter, so I just used my iPad adapter. You need to put the batteries inside, so just screw this up and put the batteries inside. One side plus, one side minus. I will use the gimbal's tripod, because I think it will be easier to later stabilize the camera. The second step is, Feiyu calls this the quick release plate, and we need to fix this on our camera body. For my test I will use my Alpha 6300. It's quite a small camera and I'm having the 10 to 18 f lens on it. The quick release plate has 2 levels. For my test, because my camera is rather small, I will use the higher level. There are 2 different screws for each 2 levels, and for my level I need this one with the black screw. For my lens, I don't really need the lens support, but to show and demonstrate, I will still put it on. You can just stabilize it like this and use the black thick screw to fix this one. Looks pretty good for me. So next step, you need to put the plate to the main gimbal. So you need to release first this clip, and then you can just slip it through. Try to make it as stable as possible. I think this one will do it from the beginning. Well, the next thing is to stabilize and balance the axes. There are like 3 main axes. This, the second one, and the third one will be like this one. So what you need to do now is just try to balance this camera that it will be like this. Alright, I think this one looks good for my first try. And now we can start the gimbal. To start the gimbal, you simply press the power button. And now it should be already on. I think I do need to do some better calibration, but as you can see, the wheel is very handy. You can choose different axes on the panel, which is touchscreen, and so far it's very good looking. You can also move the gimbal with the joystick, so you can actually use all the axes at the same time instead of choosing it on the panel. Alright guys, this is my first video of the review of this gimbal. In the second video I want to do some footage with it, and I will definitely share it. If you have any other mentions or critics, please leave it in the comment section below, and I would appreciate every like and subscription. Thank you.